Now, your weather alert forecast.
Good morning, everyone. I'm 3 News Now. Meteorologist Mark Stitz. The high heat and humidity will continue today. Even this morning, many of us only dropping down into the low 80s for the morning commute. As we go into the lunch hour, mostly sunny, getting a little bit breezy at that point with temperatures in the low 90s. And then this afternoon, breezy, hot, and humid as temperatures fall just short of hitting 100 degrees. And of course, factor in the humidity, we're going to feel like it's much more uncomfortable and hotter than that. Overnight, then, we keep it dry, mostly clear and breezy, keeping temperatures in the low 80s to kick off the weekend. And then tomorrow afternoon, the high heat and humidity will continue as temperatures climb right back into the upper 90s once again. The good news is a cold front will arrive late in the day on Saturday, and that will provide some relief from the heat and the humidity for Sunday. But until then, an excessive heat warning is in effect still due to the potential for those heat index values to continue to climb well above 110 degrees in the late afternoon hours. So today, the hot and the humidity, the big story, and of course, temperatures topping out near 99 degrees will make it feel very uncomfortable and very unsafe. Overnight tonight, then, lows near 80 degrees, still a little bit breezy out there. And tomorrow afternoon, the heat continues with temperatures topping out near 97. A few more clouds out there, though, late in the day as the cold front works its way in. That'll also kick off some scattered showers and thunderstorms overnight, especially heading into Sunday morning. Some of those, it looks like, could now linger into Sunday afternoon. But again, temperatures near 84 degrees, much more comfortable to finish off the weekend with lower humidity as well. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday looking mostly sunny as temperatures go from the mid 80s to the upper 80s, so a little more average for this time of year. And thanks to the lower humidity, actually going to cool off a little bit more in those mornings down into the low 60s.